Okay, so here's a scene you've probably lived through. Somebody plays a wild draw 4. Everyone groans, and half the table starts arguing about whether that was even allowed. Sound familiar? But honestly, Uno is way simpler than the chaos makes it look. Most people just never learned the actual rules. They learned whatever their cousin made up. So what is Uno, really? It's a card game where your only goal is to get rid of every single card in your hand before anyone else does. The deck has 108 cards, 4 colors: red, yellow, green, blue, each with numbers 0 through 9, plus special action cards and wild cards. Before we go further, 3 words you need. Discard pile is where cards get played. Action card means skip, reverse, or draw 2. And going out just means playing your last card. Setup is easy. Deal 7 cards to every player. Flip the top card of the deck to start the discard pile, and the player left of the dealer goes first. And the win condition? Simply put, first person with 0 cards left in hand wins the round. Quick pause. I make these videos so nobody feels lost at game night again. So if that's you, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, back to it. Every turn, you've got 3 choices. Play a card that matches color, number, or symbol. Play a wild card if it's legal, or draw from the deck. Colors matter more than anything else in this game. Every card either matches by color, or it matches by number or symbol instead. The one physical action you'll do 100 times a game is just laying a card face up on the discard pile. That's it. That's the whole mechanic. Here's a rule people mess up constantly. If you draw a card, you can only play that card, not something else already in your hand. For scoring, number cards are worth their face value, action cards are worth 20 points, and wild cards are worth 50. Now, the mistake that gets everyone at least once: forgetting to say Uno when you play your second to last card. Get caught before your next turn and boom, you're drawing 2 penalty cards. It's basically the game's version of a pop quiz. Action cards are where the real strategy lives. Skip makes the next player miss their turn. Reverse flips the direction of play. And draw 2 forces the next player to grab 2 cards and sit out. Let's walk through it. Say the discard pile shows a red 7. You've got a blue 7 and a red 3. Either one works because you're matching either the number or the color. And here's a big misconception. You cannot trade cards with other players at any point in the game, no matter what house rules you grew up with. I know. Your family's stacking rule feels like law at this point. Sorry to break it to you, but Mattel themselves confirmed it's not official. One more layer. If someone plays a wild draw 4, you can challenge it. If they had a matching color card hiding in their hand, they draw 4 instead of you. Once you know all these layers, color matching, action cards, the Uno call, the challenge rule, you basically understand every single interaction that can happen in this game. Okay, here's the part everyone's been waiting for. How do you actually win this thing? The simple win: be the first to play every card in your hand. That's it for most modern games. But if you're playing the classic point format, which is optional now, you keep playing rounds until someone hits 500 points total. That second one's more advanced, so don't worry about it your first few games. Here's the secret good players know that beginners miss. Hold on to your action cards and save them for when someone else is close to going out. Timing beats hoarding numbers. Quick recap. Deal 7 cards each, flip the top card, and every turn you either match, play a wild, or draw. And remember, go out first to win the round. Watch for challenges on wild draw 4s, and never, ever forget to say Uno. Once you've got this down, you understand basically 100% of how a real game of Uno plays out, house rules aside. Alright, that's how Uno actually works. Way simpler than it looks once somebody breaks it down, right? If this helped you finally understand why people yell about that Wild Draw 4 challenge, drop a comment and let me know what game you want explained next. Hit like, subscribe if you haven't, and share this with whoever's been too scared to ask what going out means.